We read The Anxious Generation as part of Spokane Schools' project to talk about technology and the impact on children.
So we just wanted to create an opportunity for kids to take risks, be off their phones.
When you're focused on something like this, you never think about those devices, right? So being hands-on, using your brain, using your hands.
We just felt like construction and building lent itself really nicely to autonomy and kids problem solving and working together. So Riverbank, Alliant, and Garco each sponsored the club in full. And that was really wonderful because it gave us a chance to really select all the materials that we needed and invite students that maybe wouldn't otherwise get this opportunity.
It's never too early to introduce the trades to kids. I remember playing with the dump trucks, Tonka trucks and stuff in the dirt, and I took up a career in construction.
They've really taken ownership, and it's their thing. And we just had to provide the tools, the time, and the supervision, and they ran with it.